This is a Whirlpool fridge. The ice maker just won't stop. It's obviously filled up the ice bin, and there's a lot of ice actually down here. But if you look at the ice maker, you can see that this metal arm here isn't connected anymore, and that's going to be the issue. I'm going to show you how to reconnect that so this thing will stop making ice. Okay, so there's 3 bolts that hold these on, 2 there, and then 1 underneath there. So we'll take those out, pull this whole ice maker out, because we got a piece of ice jammed in there too that I want to run through the sink and try to get that out of there. So I'll undo those, undo the wiring there, and pull this whole thing out. Okay, so when we pull the ice maker out, let me just shut off this water here. You'll notice this wire is actually supposed to go into here. You got to kind of wiggle it a little bit, but it does fit in there. See, it's all bumpy there, so you got to kind of, wobble it in there, but it'll go right in there. So I'll play around with that and try to get that back inside there. Okay, so that just took a couple seconds, but so it's back in there. You can see how deep it has to go inside of there. So when the arm is down, you can hear it actually click. That allows the ice maker to run. When the arm is up and it locks there, that will turn the ice maker off. So the problem was it wasn't turning the ice maker off even though it was full of ice in there. So this will fix it. We'll put the ice maker back in, and everything will be good. Okay, make sure when you're hooking up the electrical connection, it will snap into place. That way you know it's actually connected. And there's this tube here that has to feed into this blue tray. Sometimes it's a cutout in the back of that tray, sometimes it just needs to sit, and it's like a U shape. So make sure that's on there. I leave the bolts on the wall, so that way I can just hook the top ones back in. The bottom one you got to take right off, but so we'll tighten those ones, put the bottom one back in. I think I'm going to raise this arm just so it quits making ice, but yeah, that's the whole thing on a Whirlpool fridge ice maker.